Most drivers have a can of WD-40 sitting somewhere in the garage, but few people know just how useful it can be around a vehicle. Used correctly, WD-40 can save you time, money, and a lot of frustration. Today, I'll show you 5 WD-40 hacks every driver should know. Welcome back to Auto Care Secret, the channel where we uncover hidden car problems, simple maintenance tricks. Tricks 1. Loosening rusted bolts. If you've ever worked on a car, you've probably battled a stubborn rusted bolt. Suspension components, exhaust hardware, and underbody fasteners are especially prone to corrosion. Before reaching for a breaker bar, clean away any loose rust and dirt with a wire brush. Then spray WD-40 generously around the bolt from several angles. Here's the secret: don't rush. Let it sit for at least 15 minutes so the penetrating fluid can work its way deep into the threads. For severely rusted bolts, apply a second coat and give it even more time. A little patience can prevent snapped bolts and expensive repairs. Tricks 2. Removing road tar from paint. Road tar can make even a clean vehicle look neglected. The worst thing you can do is aggressively scrub it off, because that can damage your paint. Instead, spray a small amount of WD-40 onto a clean microfiber towel and gently wipe the affected area. The tar will begin to dissolve and lift away without scratching the finish. Once you're done, wash the area with soap and water to remove any remaining residue and keep your paint protected. Tricks 3. Removing old stickers and adhesive. Old parking permits, inspection stickers, and decals often leave behind stubborn adhesive residue. Spray WD-40 directly onto the sticker and around its edges. Allow it to soak for a few minutes so it can break down the adhesive. Afterwards, slowly peel the sticker away. Any leftover residue can be wiped off easily with a clean cloth. It's one of the fastest ways to restore a clean, professional appearance to your windows and painted surfaces. Tricks 4. Preventing frozen door seals. During winter, moisture can freeze around your door seals, making it difficult to open the doors. If you don't have silicone spray available, WD-40 can serve as a temporary solution. Apply a small amount to a clean rag and wipe it along the rubber weather seals around the door. This helps repel moisture and reduces the chances of the door freezing shut overnight. It's a simple trick that can save you from a frustrating start to your morning. Tricks 5. Freeing up stiff control cables. If your hood release, trunk release, or other cable-operated controls feel stiff, the cable may be starting to seize. Locate the cable near the latch mechanism and spray WD-40 where the inner cable enters the outer housing. Operate the lever several times to help distribute the lubricant throughout the cable. This can restore smooth operation and help extend the life of the cable before replacement becomes necessary. WD-40 is an incredibly handy product, but remember that it isn't a substitute for every lubricant. And most importantly, never spray it on brake discs, brake pads, or any braking components. Used properly, WD-40 can make vehicle maintenance easier and help keep your car in great shape. What's your favorite WD-40 trick? Share your best automotive maintenance tips in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more car care tips and repair guides. Thanks for watching. Drive safe, take care of your ride, and we'll see you in the next video right here on Auto Care Secret.